Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem to find the value of 25 over 4 to power of 9 over 4. In the first step, we let this as e. So, next step, e is equal to, in here we can write this 25 as 5 to power of 2 and this 4 as 2 to power of 2, right? And to power of 9 over 4. And in here, from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m over b to power of m, this is equals to a over b to power of m. So, in here, e is equal to 5 over 2 to power of 2 and to power of 9 over 4. And in next step, from exponential rule, a to power of m to power of n is equal to a to power of m times n. So, in here, 5 over 2 to power of 2 and to power of 9 over 4, we can write e is equal to 5 over 2 to power of 2 times 9 over 4, right? And this is equals to 5 over 2 to power of, this will cancel this by 2 and it will be 9 over 2. So, in next step, we can write e is equal to 5 over 2 to power of 9 over 2. In here we can write 9 as 8 plus 1 and over 2, right? So, in here, we can write this as 5 over 2 and 8 over 2 plus 1 over 2, right? 8 over 2, it will be 4 and plus 1 over 2. So, in next step, from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m plus n, we can write this as a to power of m times a to power of n, right? So, in here, we can write this as e is equal to 5 over 2 to power of 4 and times 5 over 2 to power of 1 over 2. So, it will be e is equals to 5 over 2 to power of 4 is equal to 5 to power of 4 over 2 to power of 4, right? And 5 over 2 to power of 1 over 2, we can write this times 5 to power of 1 over 2 over 2 to power of 1 over 2, right? So, it will be e is equal to 5 to power of 4, it will be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and 2 to power of 4, it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and times 5 to power of 1 over 2. 5 to power of 1 over 2 is equal to square root of 5, and 2 to power of 1 over 2, it will be a square root of 2, right? So, in next step, e is equal to 5 to power of 5 is 25, and this is 25, and 25 times 25, it will be 625, and times the square root of 5, and for denominator, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16, so it will be 16 square root of 2. And here we can rationalize this fraction, so we multiply numerator and denominator by this square root of 2. So, multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 2, and it will be 625, and square root of 5 times square root of 2, it will be square root of 5 times 2, it will be 10, right? And for denominator, square root of 2 times the square root of 2, it will be 2, and times 16, it will be 32. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.